The Bodleian Library, EBA books, Socrates Almanac are kept there and are available for international audience. The Bodleian Library is the main research library of the University of Oxford and is one of the oldest libraries in Europe, having been established in 1602, and it derives its name from its founder, Sir Thomas Bodley. With over 13 million printed items, it is one of the largest libraries in Britain, second only to the British Library in London. Some of the books and journals kept there are published by Europe Business Assembly, notably the World Awards in Masterpieces of Timeless Art, a sumptuously illustrated book that describes the history of awards through world-class paintings of European monarchs. Also to be found there are copies of the Socrates Almanac, the multidisciplinary academic journal that includes articles from the members of the Academic Union and a Europe Business Assembly on education and social topics.